Hello YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. Finally, today is G day. Ride to IBW starts today. IBW Goa. Time right now is 2:30 in the morning. This is so far the earliest that I've gotten up, but to avoid the traffic and to be there on the time, we have planned to leave by 3:30. So yeah. So finally done setting up the luggage. So we are all set and ready to leave. Now we are gonna go up, get geared up, and let's get going. See you guys on the road. Okay, so time is 3:45 and here we go. So we are meeting a friend. We are going together. Both of us wanted to avoid a big group ride because it really gets late and annoying sometimes. Hence, just two of us. 6.3 kilometers away. My friend is waiting over there. And there's our man Padma. कैसे हो भाई?
निकलना डायरेक्ट?
हाँ, रिफ्यूल करना है मुझको. तुम्हारा हो गया? हाय निखिल. So we are here at the Shell. Got the refueling done. That's Padma. We are riding together. So damn freezing it is right now. Finally Ghat. A small beautiful ghat this one is. Just around 50-60 kilometers ahead of Pune. This time we have decided to make a bigger stretch and try to stop right at Karad or Kolhapur because we wanna do this quickly and get over with it. If such roads continue, I think we will take 12 hours easily to reach Goa, because like seriously, what the fuck is this? The dust seems like fog right now. So we are just crossing Satara right now. The road from Satara till Nipani is really amazing now. Complete butter road, butter. Let's enjoy this road, guys. Let's enjoy. Let's make the most out of it. So we have stopped now because रुकना तो नहीं है, but हल्का हल्का सा बारिश होना शुरू हो चुका है. And the last thing we want is to ride in the rains. No, I don't want to ride in the rains. I'm so done with that. Finally, the GoPro is on. Don't know what happened exactly, but बीच में से बंद गिर गया था. So लगभग 1 घंटे का तो कोई भी फुटेज नहीं है. So yeah, finally sun is rising. हल्का हल्का सा बारिश हो रहा है, एकदम हल्का सा. So we are just 20 kilometers away from Kolhapur. This is going to be our very first break, like officially first break. So yeah, now looking for a decent place where we can have some nice breakfast. Time is 7. Distance covered so far is almost 200 kilometers. So hopefully there is some place for breakfast around because we are really hungry right now. चालू तो है, हाँ चालू है, जो है जैसा है यही है अब. Because has been almost नहीं पूरा 200 किलोमीटर हो गया since we started. So we finally found a place for breakfast and some tea. Gonna have some breakfast and tea over here. So we started from Pune around 4:30. We did non-stop 200 kilometers because morning stretch पूरा करना था. और अभी 200 किलोमीटर के बाद अभी रुके. Time is 7:30. So around 3 घंटा लगा for this 200 kilometers, which is I think really good. So yeah, around 225 kilometers more to go. So yeah, let's have some breakfast and let's get going. So just got done with a light yet good breakfast.
Inside my head, I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
Cross Nipani and we are going through Amboli, so we are going to continue for more 60 kilometers here on the highway. Then after Belgaum we will take the right turn because the road conditions over there are much better compared to Amboli Ghat and Sangamwadi and all. Also I've never tried Chorla Ghat and many say it is really amazing. So let's try that one today. Today I feel the Himalayans under power. But fuck! Just look at this one. 160 भी कम लगेगा यहाँ पे. एक फोटो तो बनता है. Such a cold breeze, huh? This is risky to, halt on the highway, but oh man, look at this. सिर्फ सन का थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ messing up the shot, but amazing, really amazing. So just 20 kilometers for Belgaum. Stand! वे सुनते ही नहीं लोग. साइड स्टैंड के साथ चला रहा है. 136 kilometers to be precise. More to go. I think we should be there by 12:30. Jai Shri Ram. here in Belgaum now, and a right turn from here. That's what the Google auntie says. So yeah, we are gonna follow her because this is our first time through Chorla Ghat. Google has officially fucked us up because I don't know. Many people say this isn't the road for Chorla Ghat, but Google does say that this will take you to your destination. So we don't have any options because we will have to take a U-turn and go back 20 kilometers. So we decided to skip Chorla Ghat and rather just reach Goa as soon as possible. He won't be enjoying this. He was forcing me to go through Amboli, but I insisted we should go through Chorla, and नतीजा ये निकला कि ये तो थर्ड पार्टी रोड से आना पड़ रहा. Oh boy. So finally had some chai over here, and Google Maps has officially fucked us up big time. Even this guy was saying आज पहली बार टूरिस्ट लोग दिखे बहुत सालों बाद इस जंगल वाले रोड पे. I don't know how this has happened, but fuck it, we need to get out of here. Maps isn't working as well. And we are finally in Goa, and we have arrived. So we finally reached the hotel. Time is right now around 2:30. Got delayed by an hour because of that maps fucked up shit. So yeah, now gonna go down, have some food, and gonna sleep. Probably go out in the evening, and then tomorrow IBW. Yeah, really excited and looking forward for it. So yeah, this was it. If you liked the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.